On Long Island, donations pouring in there at the Suffolk Fire Academy in Yaphank. This includes all those high-demand items we've been telling you about, the PPE masks, the gloves, the hospital gowns. Of course, we know they're in short supply right now. In some cases, entire van loads are pulling in. News 4's Greg Sergel live in Yaphank with those details. Some much-needed supplies there, Greg.
Well, Natalie, as you said, we've heard those daily reports about the shortages of personal protective equipment. So when Suffolk County asked the public to come forward and donate surplus gear, it was really hard to know how much was out there. But today we saw homeowners and business owners and even education programs step up in a big way.
It's good. It's a good feeling, doing our part.
Thank you so much.
The donations ranged from a single box to an entire van load of personal protective equipment. Every item a potential lifesaver.
I dropped off about 20 N95 masks and about 90 pairs of latex gloves.
Kevin Dickerson dropped off leftovers from his home renovation.
Medical workers and everybody else is going to need them a lot more than we are.
This is really priority to us.
A Holbrook man donated gloves from his now closed hair salon.
Got to give back, and I got to redirect my energies. Every little bit does count.
But this was more than a little bit. Suffolk officials say the amount of equipment left at the Suffolk Fire Academy was overwhelming.
Am I surprised by the turnout? No, we're New Yorkers. This is what we do best.
The PPE equipment collected will go not only to doctors and nurses, but also to nursing homes and medical practices, the front line of the fight against this virus.
I've never really experienced anything like this before.
Matt Delarada donated gloves from his moving business, a chance, he says, to drive away that ever-present feeling of helplessness.
It feels like I'm taking an active part. I see.
Now, by one account, there were some 10,000 latex gloves donated here today, as well as boxes of those precious N95 masks. And healthcare workers were picking up the goods as quickly as they were being brought in. The whole process will resume tomorrow morning here at 10 o'clock. It's expected to continue through midweek. We're live in Yaphank. Greg Sergel, News 4 New York.
All right, see